Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set special contact ringtone on the Oppo A5x. Now, if you want to set a special ringtone for a specific contact on your smartphone, first of all, just open the Contacts app on your smartphone. And from here, just select the contact of which you want to set a special ringtone. Then tap on Follow System. And from here, just select a ringtone on your smartphone. You can either select a ringtone from the classic options, or you can select a ringtone from the nature option. And once you select a ringtone, you will set a specific ringtone for this contact. And if you use Google Contacts instead of Oppo's own Contacts app, just open Google Contacts. Then select the contact from here. From here, just tap on Contact Ringtone. Now just select a ringtone from your device. For an example, I will select this ringtone. And once you do that, you will set a specific ringtone for this contact. And this is how you can set special contact ringtone on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.